How to install Dual Messenger on Android phone. If you want to use two accounts of apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, or Telegram on your Android phone, this video will show you how to install Dual Messenger. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now, tap on Apps and then select App Clone. Here, you'll see the apps that support dual apps. You can install a second copy of supported apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, or Telegram. To install a second copy, click on Messenger and turn on the toggle next to the app. Once the installation is complete, go to your app screen and you'll see the second copy of the app. Open it and log in with your second account. You can also choose whether to use a separate contact list for the second copy. And that's how you can install Dual Messenger on your Android phone. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with others.